I'm going to cut off the rough ends of the Brussels sprouts. And I'm going to wash them. Any little leaves that come off, I will keep for making Brussels sprout chips. You will love that video, I promise you. As you can see, I have a pot of boiling water here. I'm gonna add salt. And I'm gonna add the washed Brussels sprouts. We're gonna let these cook for about 3-4 minutes, and then we're gonna transfer them to this bowl with ice water. All we wanna do is blanch them so that they're soft enough for us to smash, okay? All right, these are ready. Beautiful bright green. Let these cool down completely and we will continue. All right, so I remove these from the water, obviously. I'm just gonna dry them with a clean towel a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna smash this. Like that. All right, guys, I'm gonna drizzle a little olive oil on each one. I'm gonna salt and pepper each one. We're gonna put this in an oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 218 centigrade. For 15 minutes, and I'll bring them back so we can finish them. So 15 minutes have gone by. I'm going to just flip these. Ooh, nice. Now I'm going to top each one of them with a little Parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna put these back in the oven, guys, for another 15 minutes. And my gosh, these are going to be pretty fantastic. By the way, if you wanted to keep this vegan, you don't need to put any cheese on them. You can just flip them, put a little salt and pepper on them, back into the oven. You can also put maybe some chili pepper on it, you know, I don't know, some garlic powder. You do not need to use cheese. I took these out of the oven at the 12-minute mark. So they were in the oven for a total of 27 minutes. You check yours. I mean, these are perfect. They're nice and roasted, and I didn't want them to get any darker. All right, let's taste this. Look at this Brussels sprout. It is roasted on both sides. It's beautiful. Wow, that is really, really good. Oh my gosh, they're all nice and crunchy. Oh, delicious. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.